Good evening, friends. Let's learn the formulas of the AP. AP means arithmetic progression. First formula is a general formula A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D up to the dot A plus n minus 1 into D, whereas A is a first term and D is a common difference. Second formula for n term. An is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D, whereas an is equal to n term and n is a number of term. Now formula number 3. In some problems AP is not given and two different terms are given. Then the formula for CD, common difference D, is equal to AM minus AN upon n minus n. Now formula number 4. Sum of n term. When last term L is given, Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket A plus L. Formula number 5. For finding sum of n term, second formula when AP is given and last term L is not given. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now formula number 6. Sn minus 1 is equal to An. Example, S50 minus S49 is equal to A50. Same way, An minus 1 is equal to D. We can find the sum of natural number, odd number and even number by following formulas.